a while, but today we're gonna be, as you saw in the title, working on my car. This is not my car. It's just fucking gay. For today, if you've been on the channel for a while, you know cars, whatever. If you're new to the channel, you're here for a reason. Like, comment, subscribe. But today we're gonna be adding a little rear lid right here. So first, I'm gonna just wash the back of it, and I'm gonna slap it on. That shit's dirty. And if you're new to the channel, you'll see this child every time we start recording. What's up, pendeja?
Hey, cágalo para que me conte grande.
Oh yeah. If you hear the child, then just tell the big now. Está bien grande. Well, yeah, so I'm just gonna wash it because it's been raining.
Mañana va a llover.
I'm just gonna wash that part. That's all.
Oh.
Yeah. Watch you guys right now. So this is it. I know it doesn't look very much, but trust me, it's on the cart. BBL type of shit. I just realized that I want to 3M tape this, but probably the tape won't stick because this shit's some weird material. I'm just gonna throw it on the car so you guys can see, and I'll do something about it and try to see how I want to mount this shit. So this shit's just being a bitch to stay on because it's fucking sunny, so it's all wango, whatever, I don't know what the word, but something like that. And I want to put double-sided tape all right here because I don't want to. I see people put like rivets and shit like right here. That's just, I don't like it. Hopefully I don't have to do it. So I'm gonna try my best to get it. So look at that. Sheesh. But yeah, so right now it's all hard to get it flush. I want to see what to do about it. So it's been years since we started this video, but this thing is finally on. Like I told you guys, 3M double-sided tape only. I didn't want to put like screws in here, rivets, whatever the fuck they're called. I did have to put some on this side right here. I want to show you guys because it's kind of shitty, but I have to take off the wheel to make it easier. And I'll show you guys right now how it looks. So this is what it looks like on the car. This thing. Looks funny from the back, but can you see? I don't know, this is a weird angle, but I think it really complements it from this side.